I the prettiest slime out there, or what? I'm so graceful that even...
Sammy, you gotta be more careful. What's that? Are you a Christmas tree now?
Nonsense, Sue. Haven't you noticed it's summer? I'm getting ready for a party. I'm gonna be the shiniest and brightest there.
You look stunning. These stickers are pretty and look kind of familiar. Where did you get them?
I found a large pack of them over there. Handy, huh?
Wait, what? Sammy!
You're being unreasonable. I didn't know that you ordered these stickers for school.
I've been waiting for them for ages. What should I do now?
Sue, listen, I'm really sorry. Wait, let's have a look in my recipe book. Steak? Stew? Nah, they've got no stickers here. But don't cry, Susie. This time I really do have a solution. Since I used your stickers, I'll make you new ones. I promise!
Sounds great and everything, but what about your party?
I'm a proud slime, and I'll take responsibility for my actions.
Thank you, Sammy. So what are we gonna do?
Well, there are many ways to make stickers. Let me classify them. Huh, a candy! I spotted it first, so it's mine!
I wouldn't dare claim your sweets. But could the honorable professor tell me where to start?
Sure, follow me! The first thing we need to do is draw the outlines of our future stickers. Here! Wow, what a cute cloud!
You can't be serious. It's a cupcake.
Ah, now I see.
All done. Check it out.
Nice, but we need to color them now.
All right, I think it's done.
Great! Our next step is to cut them out.
Sam, these scissors are too big. They don't do their magic. That's better.
This is taking too long. Let's speed up. Voila! Next comes the sticky tape part. It's your cue, Sue.
Right you are. We will need a lot of tape here.
You were born to do this, Sue. Now go ahead, cut them out.
You're so great at compliments. I'll do my best. And I will be very careful. That's how we're gonna store our stickers.
Sue, I bet you'll lose those stickers if you don't staple them together.
Oh, great idea, Sammy. Thank you. There we go. Easy peasy. Oh, wow. These stickers look just as if I ordered them online.
Only they are better. Worth $100.
Yeah, so what are we going to do now?
Seriously? Oh, that's really sweet of you. Yes, sure, I'll tell her. Unicorns! I was talking to my friend and she asked me to make a sticker pack dedicated to her.
Awesome! Let's make them as colorful as possible.
The horn should be a tiny bit longer. Here we go. Nope, no, it's not ready yet. Now you can look and admire.
were supposed to make unicorn-related stickers.
Let's say you haven't noticed anything.
Okay, I've seen nothing. Let me help you, though. There we go! All done.
I saw a cool trick in YouTube videos. This method is innovative. It must work. Let's wait a bit now.
It's not working. Let's better use markers.
Pink, green, no, make it yellow, please, Sue.
Shush! The next bunch of stickers is yours to make.
Okay, I'll say no more.
Yay! The coloring part is done. Check them out. I love them. Now we need to make them sticky. What? Hey, what's that?
Haha, gotcha. We'll need this paper to make our stickers sticky.
I see. Let's do this.
Sue, make way. It's my turn.
Sammy, you did great. Thank you. Now we'll cover the cut with some more sticky tape.
Yoo-hoo! I love this part. Here we go. Looks great, huh? Yes.
And just like that, thanks to Sam's numerous talents, our stickers are ready. Voila! That's how we got this lovely cuteness. Let me show you how it works. And our first sticker goes here. Where do you think you're going, mister? You promised we were making these stickers for me.
Aw, but Sue, look how cute I am.
Hold on, what is this? Oh, you're always cute, Sammy, even without my stickers. Anyway, friends, which method of making stickers do you like more?
If you like the first one more, give this video a thumbs up. And if you like the second method more, subscribe to our channel.
But I remember you mentioned 4 methods of making them, Sammy.
Of course, we're not done yet. Let's move on. Sue, I've got a surprise for you. Guess what I'm dreaming of? A summer vacation.
Wow, Sam, they're also very cute.
No, Sue. I want to use a new coloring method. Something else, okay?
I know.
Come on. Ugh, Sue, I really need your help.
It seems to be stuck. 1, 2, 3.
Phew, we did it.
That's what happens when you leave glue sticks without a lid. They stick to furniture. Okay, I guess. I know what to do next. We need to cover the back side of these stickers with glue and let it dry.
But Sue, I have my luggage ready. How much longer?
Don't worry, they are almost ready.
Good job, Sue. Wait a second. They look too dry. How are they going to stick to anything?
We need water for them to become sticky. Look, now it works. Let's place them in the pack.
Well, this method does work, but now I feel slippery.
Should we use you as soap now?
Sam is not soap. Sam is slime. A slime.
Voila! This isn't the tidiest method of making stickers, though. Ugh.
I'm washed and ready for work.
You've got a nice necklace? Or is it a scarf?
That's not funny, Sue. What does my bag remind you of?
Let me think. Oh, that's right. School.
Bingo! Let's get down to work.
Sammy already prepared everything. Let's make them sticky. We'll use the double-sided tape this time. The first piece of it will go here at the top. Done. I need the next piece, Sammy. Sammy, give it back. Ugh! Oh, what's happened here?
Roger, he thought he's the prankster of this house.
Aw, Sam. You got a taste of your own medicine.
No, Roger likes his coffee sweet, but maybe he'll like this new taste. Sam 1, Roger 0.
And we are almost done here. The stickers look awesome. Here's the first sticker. And that's how this method works. Super easy. And it goes to our new school pack.
Uh-huh, I see.
Everything is ready. So cute.
Now, it's the right time. I'm gonna get it. Believe me, I need it more.
Okay, and this one goes here. So pretty!
Hey, I see someone's happy, eh?
Yeah, everyone asked me where I got them. You see, the others had those identical stickers they ordered online.
Told ya! Our stickers are the best!
Sam, you almost gave me a heart attack!
Sorry, but your face was so funny! If you liked our stickers too, give this video a thumbs up!
And if you were making stickers with us, subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye! See you soon, everyone!